In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply on WhatsApp web in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working from your laptop or prefer the convenience of a bigger screen, WhatsApp web is a fantastic tool that allows you to stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to navigate and respond to messages on WhatsApp web, ensuring you never miss a beat in your conversations. First things first, let's get you set up on WhatsApp web. If you've never used it before or you need a quick refresher, don't worry, it's quite simple. You're going to start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, you're going to type in web.whatsapp.com and hit enter. Immediately, you'll be greeted by a QR code, which is your key to accessing WhatsApp on your computer. While holding that thought, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. If you're on an iPhone, navigate to Settings and you'll find WhatsApp Web Desktop right there. For Android users, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner to find the same option. Upon selecting WhatsApp Web Desktop, your phone will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Align your phone's camera with the code, and voila, you're now connected to WhatsApp Web. It seamlessly mirrors your mobile WhatsApp, making all your chats and groups accessible on your computer. Now onto the core part of our tutorial, replying to messages. On your computer screen, you'll see a sidebar listing all your chats and groups. As you scan through your conversations, decide which message you want to respond to and simply click on the chat. It's as intuitive as using your mobile, but with the added convenience of a larger display and keyboard. After opening the chat, you'll notice the familiar layout of your conversation. Here's where the fun begins. To type your reply, just click on the message bar at the bottom of the chat window. The blinking cursor indicates you're all set to start typing your response. Whether it's a quick OK, a detailed plan for your next meetup, or anything in between, the spacious keyboard of your computer makes it a breeze to type out your thoughts. As you finish typing, take a moment to review your message. It's always good to check for typos or autocorrect mishaps that might change the meaning of your response. Confident with your reply? Great. Simply press the enter key on your keyboard and your message will be instantly sent. There's a certain satisfaction in tapping that enter key, watching your words instantly pop up in the conversation, just as they would on your phone. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your WhatsApp web experience. Remember, WhatsApp web is a reflection of your phone, so maintaining a stable internet connection on both your phone and your computer is crucial for smooth communication. If you're planning to step away from your computer but want to keep your messages private, always remember to log out by clicking on the 3 dots menu on WhatsApp web and selecting log out. Moreover, WhatsApp web is not just about texting. You can also send images, documents, and even voice notes using your computer. Exploring these features can truly amplify your messaging experience, giving you the flexibility to share and communicate in various formats, all from the comfort of your computer. In conclusion, WhatsApp web is an incredibly useful extension of the mobile application, perfect for those who are multitasking on their computer or prefer typing with a physical keyboard. Today we walked through the steps of setting it up, navigating to your chats and responding to messages. By following these simple steps, you'll find that staying connected through WhatsApp web is convenient, efficient, and a total game changer for your daily communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has elevated your WhatsApp web experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital applications.